morning, students. Next chapter is chapter 14, that is about our earth. Earth is round in shape, that you know very well. Okay, we all live on the earth. Air, water and land makes the earth. Earth is a round and like a huge ball, that is you know. Earth is a round in shape. Okay, it is the home of all living beings. Yes, earth है ना बेटा, all living beings का क्या है, home है. Yes, the earth's surface is made up of land and water. earth का surface किससे बना होता है, land and water. Okay, but most part is covered with the water. The different forms of land at a different places. land earth पर जो है बेटा, surface of land, it is a different. Understood? It is a different. So the earth is only a planet that has a life. बेटा सभी planet में से the earth is only the planet that have a life. Next is a globe. See the picture of globe. See, this is the picture of globe. What do you mean by the globe? Yes, globe is a model. Globe is a model of the earth. Yes, of our earth. The blue part of the sea, the blue part जो दिखाई देता है globe का हमें, that is water. अंडरस्टूड. एंड द ब्राउन पार्ट इज अ लैंड. यस, इसलिए आप देख सकते हो कि ब्लू पार्ट हमें ज़्यादा दिखाई देता है ना. इट मीन्स वॉट, दैट इट मीन्स द वाटर इज मोर देन द लैंड ऑन अवर अर्थ. वाटर कवर्स अ ग्रेटर पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ. वाटर कैन बी सीन वेर वी सी वाटर. यस, वाटर कैन बी सी इन सीज, rivers, lakes and pond. Yes, see the water bodies. See the picture of water bodies. The picture of sea. See the picture of sea, the picture of river, the picture of pond. Okay, see the pictures of water bodies. Yes, we make our houses on land. Now land, water bodies finish हो गया बेटा. Now land part. See what we should see. We make houses on land. Okay, we grow food, crops, grains, fruits, vegetables on land. We drive car, bicycles, cars, train, buses on land. Land is not even everywhere. मतलब सभी जगह पर land सेम नहीं होती. Understood? सभी जगह पर land flat नहीं होती. At some places it is flat and some places it is high. Understood? See the picture of plain land. See, that is called plains. There are some land forms of the earth. See one by one यहाँ पर picture दिया है बेटा. First is a plains. Okay, the flat land is called a plains. The flat land is called the plains. The next picture is desert. Yes, hot, dry and sandy land. Desert की land कैसी होती है, hot, dry and वहाँ पर हमें क्या दिखाई देता है, only sand. Understood? This is a plains, that is a then desert. Now next is a mountains, highland. Highlands covered with the snow, that is called mountains. Hills, low mountains are called hills. जो छोटे छोटे mountains होते हैं, low mountains होते हैं, that is called hills. Now valley means क्या बेटा, valley is between two hills. The flat land is called valley. Okay, between the two hills the flat land is called a valley. Yes, so land and water are surrounded by air. Air is everywhere. We need air and water to stay alive. Yes, so this is our chapter 14 about the earth. The next chapter number 15 is about the sky. Yes, what we see in the sky? Yes, we see the sun, stars, moons, birds, clouds. Okay, understood? We see all these things in the sky. When we stand in an open and look upwards, we see the sky. We see the sun, the moon and the stars. Now sun. Yes, what is the sun? Sun is a star. Yes beta, sun is also a star. Sun is a big ball of fire. Okay, it is a round ball of fire. Yes, it is a round in shape and it is very hot. Understood? It gives us heat and light. हमें heat and light कौन देता है? It gives us heat and light. हमें कौन देता है? Yes, sun gives us heat and light. The sun rises in the east and the sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. इट दैट यू हैव टू नो बेटा, अंडरस्टूड के सन ईस्ट से राइज होता है एंड वेस्ट से सेट होता है. द सन इज़ मच बिगर देन द अर्थ. येस ऑब्वियसली सन जो है वो अर्थ से बहुत बड़ा है. अंडरस्टूड. द सनलाइट फॉल्स ओनली ऑन हाफ ऑफ द अर्थ. सनलाइट जो है सिर्फ हाफ अर्थ के ऊपर ही आती है, तो दैट पार्ट हैज़ अ डे लाइट. ओके, जिस पर उसकी लाइट आती है दैट विल बी अ डे एंड अनदर पार्ट विल बी अ नाइट. येस, सी इन द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर, in the next page we see that the sun sets in the east, sun rises from the east and sun sets in the west. Yes, next see the picture. In the morning the sun is very cool. Okay, we feel cool, but in the noon we feel very hot because sun is exact above us, and when the sun setting again we feel cool. Yes, the next is the moon. Yes, the moon is a much smaller than the sun. Yes, sun से बहुत ही small है moon. It is look like a big white ball and it shines at night. वो रात को ही चमकता है. Yes, sometimes we can see the moon even during the day also. The shape of the moon changes. Yes, the shape of the moon changes every night. हम देखते हैं कभी full moon होता है, कभी half moon होता है. Yes ना? Yes, so sometimes it is round like a ball, or other times you can see the part of the moon or no moon at all. अमावस्या के दिन बेटा there is a no moon. Okay, and in Purnima we will see the full moon in the Purnima in the sky. We see the full moon once in the month. Yes, full moon कभी होता है? Once in a month. Next is the stars. Yes, you know that poem, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Yes, so the stars are twinkling in the sky. Understood? We cannot count the sky. Yes, we see many stars twinkling in the night. We cannot count them. They keep changing their places. Yes, वो अपनी place change करते रहते, तो we cannot count. All the stars are like the sun. They have their own light. Understood beta? Stars have their own light, but moon does not have their own light. moon के पास अपनी light नहीं होती है. It shines due to the light of to the sun. Understood? Stars are much bigger than the moon. moon से वो bigger होते हैं, but they look very small because they are very far away from us. हमसे वो बहुत दूर है, इसीलिए वो हमें small दिखाई देते हैं, but real में वो moon से भी बड़े होते हैं. stars. Yes, but they are far away from us, so we see the small little stars. Understood? See the picture of stars. So we learn in this chapter number 15 the sky. In the sky we see the sun, the moon and the stars. Yes, we learn all the things in the sky about all the things in the sky in this chapter. So here we completed our chapter number 15, that is the sky.